Find features that differentiate it from other brands for AYAMAYA car air mattress back seat. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. 1. Push inflation and deflation. This car back seat air mattress features a built-in detachable cordless rechargeable air pump, 1 push fast inflation and deflation, no cigarette lighter port or adapter needed, making it safer and more convenient. All-in-one mattress with pillow and support. Our car bed back seat is designed as a single one-piece unit featuring a built-in pillow and support column. No need to assemble separate parts, making installation and storage exceptionally convenient. Universal fit with anti-tilt column. The car mattress measures 53 x 32 inches, making it compatible with most sedans and SUVs. With the separately inflatable anti-tilt column, it can adapt to various angles of the rear seats as needed, ensuring the airbed remains flat. High capacity support up to 660 pounds. Our car bed is constructed with thickened leak-proof PVC material, offers a sturdy capacity of up to 660 pounds, easily holds 2 people simultaneously. The soft flocked surface adds exceptional comfort and cleans with a quick wipe. Portable for every adventure. The car inflatable bed deflates to a compact size, 12.2 x 15.7 x 5.9 inches, and stores easily in the included carry bag. Ideal for road trips, camping, and fishing. Includes a repair patch for quick fixes when the unexpected happens. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.